أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين صلوات الله وسلامه على من لا نبي بعده. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I seek refuge of Allah against shaitan the accursed. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise and adoration belongs to Almighty Allah. May the peace and blessings of Almighty Allah be on the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his household, his companion, and those who follow his right footprint till the day of resurrection. I greet you all in the best mode of greeting, which is may the peace and blessings of Allah be on you all. Today, we'll be looking at another 4 letters, and these letters, they are very sensitive letters. Now, one has to be very extra careful. And before we go, I am Ustaz Fatah Muhammad Sadiq, the proprietor of Baitul Hikmah Quranic Academy. These are the free edition of learning the Holy Quran in its Arabic form as our own contribution to the quota of Islam. May Allah accept this ibadah as an act of worship. May Allah accept this for us as an act of worship. Ameen. In this lesson, we'll be learning the following Arabic letters. These include sin, shin, sword, and dod. And with each letter, we'll be learning the name, description, image, pronunciation, place of articulation, and forms of each letters. Inshallah. This is letter sin. It is letter sin. As we call it shin, either of the two. Look at sin in isolation. And this is sin at the initial stage. This is sin at the medial stage. This is sin at the final stage. And this is how you can get the pronunciation correctly. This is letter X, but this sound is C. C, that's the sound. I'm not saying letter C. The sound is C, as in sink, spoon. And sin is number 12 when arranging the Arabic alphabet in orderly. Sin comes out when the tips of the tongue touches the edge of the lower incisors along the upper incisors. And that is the description how you can get the pronunciation. Sin, sin. May Almighty Allah make it easy for us. And the next one is shin, shin, shin. That's the name. And this is the photo. Shin, shin. Let's come here. This is shin in isolation, shin at initial stage, shin at the medial stage, shin at the final stage. The closest English equivalent in pronunciation is what? Shine, polish. You get the sh, and this is sh. Description. This is pronounced from center of the tongue, touches the palate, similar to the English word sheet. Sheet. I think I've given you more example to get the pronunciation. So let's move to the next letter. Let's move to the next letter. The next letter is sword, sword, sword. And this is sword in isolation. This is sword at the initial stage. This is sword at the medial stage, and this is sword at the final stage. Take note of these forms, very, very important including the pronunciation and the image. Take note of it, please. And the closest English equivalent in pronunciation is source. 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 Sound comes out when the tip of tongue touches the edge of the lower incisors along the upper incisors. The letter is pronounced full mouth. Slight whistling sound. Take note of this. Slight whistling sound. Slight, as if you are whistling. Slight whistling sound. Very, very important. In fact, that is the key. And let's go to the next one. And that is Dodd. Dodd. That is Dodd. That is Dodd. This is Dodd in isolation. This is Dodd at the initial. This is Dodd at the media. And this is Dodd at the final stage. The closest English equivalent in pronunciation is down. Down. Let's go to the description part of it. It is articulated from upturned side or sides of the tongue to touch the gum of the upper back teeth molars. This letter is pronounced full mouth. This is one of the most difficult articulation points for Arabs and non-Arabs. Dod. Dod. And the best person that can pronounce Dod very well is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yes, is the one who has the best pronunciation of Dod. All other people just trying our best. This is Dod. Dod. Try it once again. Dod. Dod. Thank you so much. And we're going to stop here. We are making it in batches, as in we divided it for proper understanding. We divided the Arabic alphabet for proper understanding. And we try to make the video not too long and not too short, so that you will not be bored. We pray Almighty Allah will make it easy for you. Please kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so that you can be able to see our video first whenever we release it. And make sure you share it again. Share it with other people. And that will be another way of earning reward from Almighty Allah. May Almighty Allah increase us in knowledge and make us the best among the believers in this world and the hereafter. I am Ustaz of Muhammad Sadiq, and for now I'm saying Fi Amanillah. I leave you in the protection of Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.